In this report, you first see an overview of the different focus areas, like our HSE reporting, the HR sick leave overview, and some financial information. The most important indicators for our client are shown on the left side. Once we want to dive into the details, for example for a specific region, we drill through to the detail page. Here we see more detailed information specific for the Oslo region. Examples are Oslo-specific HSE cases and forecasting on profit. The second page shows some different insights where we can easily filter on a restaurant as well as a specific monthly report. This includes turnover overviews, units sold, and we included budgeting information. If we go into details, we find a category analysis focusing on units sold combined with turnover. And under that, we see trends for our top products as well as an overview of the distribution of the different product categories. That concludes this quick overview video. Thank you very much.